Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another box in the mail today. This is to continue on with my collection that I've been working on. Pretty excited about this. What I'm mostly excited about is the prices I've been getting this stuff for lately. It's been really good prices and worthy of picking up and adding to the stack. So that's pretty awesome. What is it? Why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, let's see if we can cut this open through the bottom of the box. Be careful here. Spin around. Close my knife and let's see what we have here. Alright. Got it all. It should be right here. Well, here we go. What do I have here? Ah, yes. Let's go ahead and get it open. Very well packaged. Get this piece open here. What do we have here? I think you probably know by now. We have ourselves some 1 ounce Geiger bars. Woohoo! I asked him if he had an extra case, and he said he did. He was kind enough to include it with the purchase of these bars, which are already a fantastic price. So let's take a look at this. Alright, looks like he separated them for shipping so they didn't bang against each other. So here we are, folks, 10 1 ounce Geiger bars. Pretty cool, huh? Let me just check a few of the serial numbers. Gotta get them where I can see them. If there's any consecutives in here, which I really like. It looks like there is. Alright, let's hope that all 10 of these are in order. So far, so good. Alright, so Yep. These are all in order. Gotta love that, don't you? Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool. Alright, so just as a reminder, I've been working on filling up some tubes of Geiger. And let's take a look at the last one I filled up. So down in the description I'll put a link to the video where I showed digging out all my raw Geiger bars and putting them inside this tube. And I had a few left over. This tube seals up pretty good. Let me see if I can pop it open here without spilling it. So yes, I showed filling up this 31 ounce tube of Geiger bars. It's hard to, I don't want to knock them over, spill them out. There they are. You got the security features on the back with the serial numbers. Alright, so pretty cool. So yeah, I went through and I pulled all these out of my stack, loaded them up with this tube that I picked up. So that was pretty cool. But if you watch that video, towards the end of it, you see that I had 3 left over. So at the time I had 33 1-grammers, and these left over, couldn't put them in a tube, and I didn't have another tube. So when this opportunity came up to pick up some more, I said, well, if I got another tube, I could start making another one, right? So that's cool. So that's what I did, is I asked for another tube. So it takes 30, And it looks like we've got 13 towards the new tube. So that's pretty cool. I think that when I line them up, I'll put them in order inside these tubes. I like to put them in order. It looks like he put them in order for me. So let me just go ahead and start here. Alright, so that's the first one. That's 85. This is 86. This is 87. This is 88. This is 89. Alright. This is 90. 91. These look like some fresh Geiger bars, and I believe this guy orders them directly from Geiger, so if we take a closer look at them, there's no milk spotting. There's a nice shiny polished look to them. The security features on the back. So yeah, pretty nice, huh? These things are beautiful bars. And let me just finish up. We got 93 and 94, so they are all in order. And then actually these three are in order to two of them that are over in this box, and I'd like to be able to put them in order, but you know, because of the order of all these other ones, so these last two over here go with these three here, so there's 5 that have the same serial number, but that's okay. At least I have them, and they're gonna go over here and here. And can you see the milk spotting? There you go, that's good. Look, see how these older ones have some milk spots right on the edges? These ones are nice and clean and pure. Just beautiful. So we have 13 towards this new tube, which means, oh man, I need 17 more now. And I'm still working on my 10 gram tube of Geiger. Still need to fill that up. But I had the opportunity to pick these up for a good price. When I say good price, I mean they're a pretty good price for Geigers. As you know, Geigers have premiums. But these I were able to get, you know, just a little bit over what a generic would cost. And we're talking well below what a American Eagle costs right now. So these were more than $10 less than an Eagle. And to me, I think these are awesome. Now these aren't government issued, even though Geiger does do government issued coins like the Noah's Ark. These are just bars. They have no denomination on them. They're not coins. They're really bullion. They're just beautiful bullion. And more than $10 less than an Eagle? Not a hard decision for me. And only a buck or two. Let me think about the generics. Yeah, maybe even a little bit less. These weren't that much more than buying generic. So that is a no-brainer. I only wish I could buy more, because these are going for a good price from the resource I have right now. So that is really, really cool. Although I am noticing this milk spotting on the edge of this one a little bit. But anyway, that's what silver does. Some of it, including Geiger. But yeah, just some beautiful, beautiful bullion. And again, thrilled with the pricing right now. It's been a while since I've been able to get Geiger, an ounce of Geiger for what I paid for this. Really, really good price. And you know, what I discussed a while back is a bracker, which is a branding stacker. I like to get brand name type of bullion when I buy it. And if it costs a few cents more to do it, as usual. Now, I'm not going to go crazy and go out and buy an American Silver Eagle for 35 or 40 bucks. That's not where I'm going with that. But if I can get a Scottsdale versus a no-name brand, or one of the generics that have been pretty popular nowadays, I'd probably kick in and get the Scottsdale. You know, better brand, better known. And so this certainly is in line with my bracker strategy. And again, the pricing has been phenomenal. Well, there you go. So now I'm working on my second box of Geiger 1 ounces. Be really cool to get this thing filled up, but it's going to take a while, and that's okay. The thing is that costs are probably going to go back up because silver's pretty low right now. But to have 43 1 ounce Geiger bars raw, just the bullion, in addition to the ones that I have that are in assay, meaning in those hard plastic containers, I've got several 1 ounces like that too. So yeah, the Geiger collection continues. Alright, so there we go. Pretty cool, huh? Got myself a new tube coin, a new collection to work towards. Pretty cool, huh? Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.